So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Government Exam Revision Series, we have here these 8 JAMB repeated questions to answer on the topic Imperialist Penetration. So guys, this video will be about the impact of British colonial rule. So let's in short stay to the end of this video, guys. Let's start with the first question here. It says, which African country experienced a violent resistance movement against British colonial rule known as the Mau Mau Rebellion? So we have options: A. Kenya, B. Sudan, C. Nigeria, D. Ghana. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's Kenya. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, the next question we have here is question number 2. It says, which of these sets represents the disadvantages of colonialism? We have A. External manipulation, civil service evolution, and liberal democracy. B. Exposure to Western education, culture imperialism, and external trade relations. C. Liberal democracy, foreign domination, and cultural imperialism. D. Cultural imperialism, external manipulations, and foreign control of domestic economy. So guys, the answer to this question is option D here. So let's head on to the next question, guys. So guys, here is question number 3 here. It says, two foreigners that directly arouse nationalist feelings among Nigerians are A. Edward Blyden and Payne Jackson, B. Marcus Garvey and Casely Hayford, C. W. Du Bois and J.O. Davis, D. Casely Hayford and James Hutton. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, that's Edward Blyden and Payne Jackson. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So here is question number 4 here. It says, which of the following was not a feature of colonial administration in Nigeria? We have A. Taxes on the population, B. Low prices of exports, C. Education levy, D. Forced labor. So guys, the answer to this question is option C here, education levy. So let's head on to the next question, guys. Alright, we have the next question here, question number 5. It says, the Oputa panel was established in Nigeria to A. Monitor military spending, B. Investigate human rights abuse during the military rule, C. Promote military intervention in politics, D. Facilitate arms trade regulations. So guys, the answer to this question is option B here, that's to investigate human rights abuses during the military rule. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. Alright, so we have here question number 6. It says, a major consequence of colonialism in Nigeria is A. Economic dependence, B. The upliftment of its image, C. The attainment of equal status with Europe, D. Suppression of state structures. So guys, the answer to this question is option A here, that's economic dependence. And that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next one, guys. So over here is question number 7. It says, according to Lewis, Samuel is identified with pure conquest and unequivocal exploitation. A. Colonialism, B. Regressive imperialism, C. Progressive imperialism, D. Neo-colonialism. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, that's colonialism. So according to Lewis Samuel, colonialism is identified with pure conquest and unequivocal exploitation. So that's it for this question. Let's head on to the next and last question, guys. So we have here question number 8 and the last. It says, the British colonial rule in Nigeria brought about A change in the mode of production, B, stabilization in the price of raw materials, C, a stagnation in social formations, D, the pampering of traditional rulers. So guys, the answer to this question here is option A. That's a change in the mode of production. And that's it for this question. So this is where we'll end this video for today, guys. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below and we'll be sure to give you a response. Finally, guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates on JAMB examinations. You can join this channel community by hitting the join button below and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you on the next one.